First things first, let's talk about what end of support means for Windows 10 version 22H2. Microsoft officially announced that Windows 10 22H2 will reach its end of support on October 14th, 2025. This means no more security updates or bug fixes after that date. For most users, this will not be a problem until 2025, but it's always good to know your options in advance. If you have Windows 10 Home or Pro, Microsoft usually recommends upgrading to a newer version of Windows. But what if you want to continue using 22H2 for a while longer? That's where we can get creative. Microsoft has extended the support for Windows 10 2022 H2 through the Extended Security Updates ESU program for some users. This means that Home and Pro editions can still receive critical security updates, but this feature comes at a cost. The ESU program is typically available for businesses and organizations, but for regular consumers on Home and Pro editions, this may not be directly available. However, there's an alternative solution you might want to explore. Here's where 0patch comes in. 0patch is a service that provides micro-patches for vulnerabilities that Microsoft may not be addressing for unsupported versions of Windows, including after the end of support for 22H2. 0patch releases small, real-time patches that you can apply immediately, protecting your system even after Microsoft stops providing regular updates for Windows 10 22H2. These patches are lightweight and designed to minimize performance impact. One of the great things about 0patch is that it covers vulnerabilities that might not have been patched by Microsoft, ensuring your system remains secure. While once support ends in 2025, you won't be receiving any more security updates from Microsoft for Windows 10 2022 H2. However, with 0patch providing micro-patches, you can still protect your system against new vulnerabilities without needing to upgrade your entire OS. Here's a quick step-by-step on how to get started with 0patch for Windows 10 22 H2. Go to 0patch website, visit the official 0patch website, download and install the 0patch agent. After installation, 0patch will start monitoring for vulnerabilities. You can check the 0patch dashboard to see what vulnerabilities have been patched and whether your system is protected. It's a lightweight solution that can keep you safe without forcing you to upgrade. So there you have it. While Windows 10 2022 will eventually reach its end of support in 2025, the Extended Security Updates ESU program may not be an option for Home and Pro users, but 0patch can step in to provide those critical security patches and keep your system safe, even after Microsoft stops updating it. 0patch, a lifesaver for unsupported Windows versions. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to stick with Windows 10 22 H2 or if you'll be upgrading to Windows 11. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you and subscribe for more tech tips and news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.